Have you ever noticed that the people who broadcast the highest status online, the ones trying the hardest to look wealthy, are often the furthest from actual financial security? Behind the meticulously curated photos and the designer brands, there is frequently a precarious reality. The luxury is often financed by heavy credit card debt, auto loans, and an immense amount of psychological stress required to keep up appearances. Financial author Morgan Housel observes that every dollar spent explicitly to look wealthy to other people is a dollar actively preventing you from actually becoming wealthy yourself. To see how this plays out, imagine two people working at the same company. On the same day, they both receive an identical raise. The first person takes that surplus income and immediately converts it into visible status markers. They upgrade to a larger apartment, lease a luxury vehicle, and post photos from expensive restaurants. To everyone around them, they look successful. The second person's life appears unchanged. They continue living the exact same lifestyle they had the day before, while quietly funneling every dollar of that extra income into index funds and retirement accounts. This initial divergence sets them on two very different trajectories. One path focuses on the constant maintenance of an image, while the other builds toward the achievement of financial freedom. This graph tracks the silent investor's wealth over time. It highlights a harsh reality of those first few years. The early mathematical progress feels agonizingly slow. For a long time, the line barely lifts off the bottom of the axis. This phase creates intense biological friction. Human brains are evolutionarily hardwired to demand immediate, tangible rewards for our effort. Spending years staring at a virtually flat line is an immense psychological challenge. This is why the first person's path is so tempting. Purchasing a luxury watch or a new car delivers an immediate, highly satisfying spike of dopamine that satisfies the brain's demand for an instant payoff. But that feeling comes with a steep, hidden cost, driven by a psychological trap called hedonic adaptation. This is the process where the emotional thrill of a new purchase rapidly decays, and you quickly return to your baseline level of happiness. Once that thrill fades, the spender is stuck on a treadmill. To trigger that same temporary emotional high again, they are forced to make increasingly expensive visible purchases. Chasing visible wealth creates an exhausting, endless cycle of consumption. Escaping it requires a rare kind of patience, the ability to survive the boredom of the mathematical flatline. Looking at this chart, you can see exactly when that patience pays off. After years of slow accumulation, the mechanics of compound growth finally overtake linear savings. The flat line hits an inflection point and accelerates sharply upward. At this stage, your money starts working harder than you do. The initial investments generate returns, and eventually, those returns begin independently generating their own returns, stacking on top of each other automatically. Because of this geometric scaling, financial habits that appeared insignificant in year 1 become mathematically extraordinary by year 20. Sustaining this upward trajectory requires a psychological strategy to match the mathematical one, the deliberate deployment of silence. Keeping your financial moves private shields you from social comparison, unwanted criticism, and the peer pressure to inflate your lifestyle to match your social circle. By paying yourself before paying for a more expensive lifestyle, you create a widening gap between a growing income and a static cost of living. That gap is the exact space where true wealth accelerates. Maintaining this privacy provides the structural armor necessary to protect the compounding process from the single biggest risk factor, human error. As the timeline stretches on, it exposes a fundamental flaw in how we view money. We often confuse the act of consumption with the achievement of success. The primary dividend of the compounding timeline is the acquisition of financial and emotional peace. This peace means immunity from unexpected expenses. It means having assets working in the background and enjoying a complete decoupling from the dependency on a bi-weekly paycheck. Real wealth requires no external validation. It doesn't compete for attention, and it requires no effort to maintain a public image. If you are early in this process, remember that invisible progress is still progress. Every dollar quietly saved and every urge to consume that you resist is building a permanent foundation. You can choose to abandon the exhausting pursuit of looking wealthy and embrace the silent, patient reality of actually becoming wealthy.